Is it worth it? That's why we're here today in Damascus to try to figure out. This home is listed at $610,000. They just had a price drop last month of $10,000. It is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, just shy of 2,300 square feet. They have been on the market for 110 days, and we're gonna go see, is it worth it? Big driveway in a cul-de-sac, 2-car garage, Dutch Colonial style. We got some issues on the roofing or flashing. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. The area between those two windows right there, you can see that. A little jacked up, easy fix, but something to certainly note. Cool little front porch. Let's check around the back, shall we? And they're building an entirely brand new community just over there. I don't know if you can hear the earth movers over there, but we got a nice little play set, beautiful crepe myrtle. That thing will be really pretty soon. And backyard overall, really nice. Screened in porch and a deck. Let's see if we can find an age on this AC unit. And it looks like 2017. Got a composite deck. Looks to be in really good condition. Back of the house looks good. You got a deck on each side with the screen porch in between. So you basically got your grilling section over here, your hangout here, or your hangout in the sun over there. Roof looks to be in really good shape. Looks like we got a couple of skylights there. Check that when we go inside. What in the heck is this thing? Propane? That looks like a well to me. I don't know. What does that look like to you? That looks like a well to me. Now we are inside in the foyer. To the left, we have a large dining room, big picture window. And one thing they built in here that looks really cool. Oh, I'm zoomed in, all right, hang on. There we go, now I can see better. All right, let me move that door back out of the way. So, nice little built-in, great for shoes, coats, closets. And we got a closet here. Powder room, pretty. Kitchen is nice, but it's kind of small. Then you have the dining space over here with some more built-ins overlooking the backyard. It obviously connects into the living room that is sunken down about a foot. And first floor family room. Really cool space. Looks like a gas fireplace. Lots of natural light from the skylights. And this walks out to the porch. Great space. Let's check out the garage. Oh, there's some light. Got a little trailer in here. Looks like the original cabinets, bunch of pegboard. Great for storage and still plenty of room for vehicles. Time to find out if the basement's creepy or not. Big rec room. I don't know if I really like this green color, but that can be changed. And just storage under the steps. Laundry and storage room. Wow, that fridge is really old. This thing's cool. Probably still works better than any of the new stuff. And the fun part. So we got a gas water heater installed in 24. Got a humidifier, a sump pump. See if we can't find an age on the gas furnace. That looks like 2020 to me. And keep rounding around. So we got your slop sink there. Water main comes into the house here. Not bad. Let's head upstairs. We'll start to the left. This is the master. Big space, hardwood floors. A little TV station set up there. And what is around here? Master bath. Dual vanity. Nice tile work on the floor. Really pretty shower. Oh yeah. They did some really nice updates in here. But then they just put real cheap, like plastic there. Hall bath with a tub shower. Bedroom 2. And bedroom 3. This is definitely bigger than bedroom 2. Now that you've been through the entire house and the yard, what do you think? Is it worth it? Desert wine at $610? I don't think so. And the reason why is there's not 4 bedrooms upstairs. You make this a 4-bedroom house, and I think you're probably around 6.25, maybe a little bit higher. So I don't know. What are your thoughts? For $610,000, is desert wine worth it to you?